Okay, here is my last stitch, and I'm gonna do one yarn over also. So I had 9 stitches from my brooch stitch, and every 9 stitch I added 1 stitch in the first row for the pattern, and now I ended up with 100 stitches in my needles. So row 2 in the twist pattern stitch will be, let me get rid of this one here for now. Okay, what you will do, you're gonna get these two stitches and purl them together, but before releasing you would work in the first stitch one more time. Insert the needle and grab the yarn. So basically this will be the pattern for purl twist stitch. When you are doing it in the flat project, you are doing the same thing, only the first row that we did as a purl will be as a knit, and all the same row 2 and row 3, sorry, row 1 and row 3 in the flat pattern will be knit stitch, but in this when you're working in circular, that will be purls. So row 2 and row 4 will be the same. And you need to have even number of stitches for purl twist pattern. I'm gonna zoom a little bit. Okay, the yarn is in the front. You insert the needle to purl 2 stitches together. You purl them, but before releasing, you insert in the between 2 stitches again and purl one more time from the first stitch. And then release them. So this will be your row 2 of purl twist stitch in the round. So I'm gonna finish the first row. Also, I would like to put my marker at the beginning to find out the point. I forgot to add it here. So this one stays just before the one that we started doing for 2 purls. So okay, I'm gonna finish this row and I will be back with row 3. Okay, now I ended up row 2 of purl twisted stitch. The first row was purl stitch, the second row was purl 2 together, and repeat the same thing to the first stitch. And now I'm gonna do the row 3, and I'm gonna transfer this marker to the right needle. I'm gonna again do the purl stitches for row 3. Here is end of row 3, and I purl stitches. So what I'm gonna do in the row 4th to offset the row 2, I'm gonna undo the last stitch, and then I'm gonna get my marker from here. I'm gonna add this one to the first stitch and purl these together. So when you are doing in a flat pattern, you knit this stitch and you purl this together. Sorry, you purl this one and you purl these two together. But because we're gonna leave these two beside each other, so we can purl these together as what we did for row 2, and stitch one more time to the first stitch, and this will be the pattern for row 4 in the circular. I'm gonna add back my marker to the point that I started my 2 together stitches here. So you're gonna change the position of marker every 2 rows when you're shifting to offset the previous row.